Aptos Price Prediction 2025. This value speculation might be helpful for you if you're looking for the Aptos Able value expectation or determining the ability of the ApeCoin. Our Aptos cost estimate is based on a comprehensive expert examination and the current ApeCoin demonstration. Here, we'll try to analyze Aptos' potential over the long term, so make sure you watch the full video as this is going to be very helpful. Welcome back to Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, however, we will never ask you for your number or any other personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp. So, please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. First off, let's take a look at the basics of Aptos and how it works. Aptos is a Layer 1 blockchain designed for the secure development of amazing agreements and decentralized apps, according to information gathered from the project's website. The Aptos' unique combination of execution, upgradability, and safety enables designers to create Web3 applications quickly and easily. Aptos is a blockchain project that is still in development and is facing several challenges. The Aptos blockchain's actual application cases make well-suited coin a long-term project with a lot of promise. CoinMarketCap revealed that Aptos is listed in prestigious exchanges including Binance, FTX, and Coinbase. In the upcoming months, Adept Coin has the potential to skyrocket with fresh listings on well-known transactions and the response from financial supporters. Like Polkadot and Solana, Aptos is a digital currency built on the blockchain. The Aptos blockchain platform aims to create excellent agreements that lets Web3 developers create apps simply and securely. The Aptos blockchain is the most stable, flexible, and effective, making it the ideal platform to deliver move-based apps. Our Aptos cost projections indicate that this year's expenditures may reach another ATH level. By 2025, based on their current trend, we may anticipate an average price of $27.96. Our current cost projection for Aptos in 2025, assuming that current development continues, is $32.94. If the market declines in 2025, Aptos' base value level might be around $24.59. However, if the market turns positive, Aptos may flood more than our Aptos cost hypothesis in 2025. Is Aptos a smart investment? Aptos drained 2022 and contacted the $8.55 ATH level. We discovered that Aptos can profit in the upcoming very long time due to local area ventures based on the ongoing year's exposition examination, one of the blockchain initiatives with a use case that is rapidly emerging in Aptos. Additionally, real-world application cases for cryptos might be natural strengths. Our cost analysis indicates that the sustained interest in Aptos appears to be a good option to take into consideration. Even though the Aptos execution appears optimistic, suitable coins and other cryptocurrencies are unstable and can change their price direction at any time. Aptos might be a fantastic choice if you are a savvy investor and are willing to make long-term investments. The most precious and least secure resources available today are cryptocurrencies. So, before making any business decisions, make the right bets on the odds. Now, the question that many of you might ask is, will it hit $100? Many cryptocurrency traders are curious to know whether Aptos can reach a $100 cap as the project develops. In 2022, Aptos has proactively crossed $8.55. We may estimate that Aptos can create a $100 commotion around the city if we use the former presentation as a standard. If existing development continues, it might reach a $100 cap between 2029 and 2030, according to our extensive Aptos prediction. Aptos is a fantastic endeavor with a solid use case. Additionally, there are no restrictions in the cryptocurrency market. It's tough to assume that the value estimates can be accurate, since, as we have already discovered, a tremendous bull run or bear rally may smash all cost expectations in a matter of seconds. If additional investors get interested in the Aptos project, the price of Aptos might soar, and it might reach its $100 target before our Aptos token gauge. In addition to ApeCoin value forecast, we advise our readers to conduct the most thorough investigation before investing. Although the Aptos appears reliable with its limited supply and local area support, cryptocurrencies are a very unpredictable resource. Cryptocurrency prices fluctuate like thrill rides and may alter quickly. Before Aptos, or any other cryptocurrency enterprise, a gambling study is essential. Is it worthwhile to buy Aptos? Many Aptos experts have predicted that Aptos value would continue to rise. The whole supply of Aptos tokens, which is 1 billion, is a reasonable quantity. According to the expert analysis, Aptos appears promising in the long run. Always keep in mind that every speculative action involves some risk. The most advantageous and least secure resource is cryptocurrency. What do you think of today's video? Make sure to watch more informational videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and come back for more videos like this one.